Ka Mahendra'S coaching ke Institute Bapau Khamat Hakari India ke bai coaching ye ke exam jangka bank bat SSC. Kelap pli ke branch ke jangka hakanong ba Shillong dang shen ha ke shpau terek benai me arajar arpsau. Layadan lang ha ke ni ke jingpli do Navin Kumar Jain bolong chairman ke Mahendra Group of Companies ringkat Ashish Kumar executive director bat ke Karnika Deka state executive officer North East region. Ke Karnika Deka ke bolong ke State Executive Officer North East Region ke lawe di kena samla ki baile ye ki bank SSC bat ki state exams ban wan ban join ye ki course ke ba ke center ke ai ha ke bai de ki exam jang bank SSC bat ki MPSC exam bat ban yo ke jingkai bapaka bat ki facilities baka Mahendra coaching ke la penbiang hakeleng ki centers jangka Hakari India borok ke bai kum ka All India Test Series doubt clearing sessions ke speed lab bat ki pat ki facilities ki bag center ke penbiang ka Mahendra'S Shillong center ka don ha east pokse hajan kerenja police station na ka benta ke jingtip bakhamnia phila banlet chaka office jangka na do ka shpau buje mistep hado ndio buje janmit lani phila ban phone ha uniu number ndio lai prakhandai lai not arsau we nyo.
Hello everyone, myself Sahil Das. I am from Zeta Trade and today we are with
Yeah, my name is Karnika Deka. I'm the state head of Mahendra'S Educational Private Limited. So today I'm present in Shillong.
So we are here to ask some questions to ma'am. How you choose that you can come up to Meghalaya and set up this thing?
See, the first of all, in Northeast we are having some branches, but the main problem is what? As I told you, the Guwahati is our regional office. People come down to Guwahati and we cannot stop anyone to coming down. But still many people are there where their economical background problem is there. And like some parents doesn't want a child to go outside. So right now Mahendra'S is in your home.
Okay.
You can say.
Yes, ma'am.
So Mahendra'S is in Shillong. So we want all the students of Meghalaya can come down to Shillong as it is a capital. So we want here you can get the best services. Same services which we have all over India, as we have 165 branches all over India. The same services, centralized services you will be getting in Shillong too.
Get ready to turn your dreams into reality with Mahendra'S.